Please sit down, Vishaka Yadav.
Yes.
So you belong to this clan of Lord Krishna?
Sir, it is said so that
It is.
Yadavas.
Yadavs. He was a
are-
Yadav.
Yes, sir.
Great, great. And he was a king.
Yes, sir. He was the king of Dwarka,
Very
the
nice.
present day city in.
All
Uttar
right,
Pradesh.
all right. And what are you doing now, Vishaka, after doing your B.Tech from Delhi College of Engineering?
Yes.
That's a good college.
Yes, sir. Sir, so I was placed from college itself in Cisco Systems, Bangalore.
In
Cisco Systems, Bangalore.
Cisco Systems,
Yes,
Bangalore. All right.
So I worked there for 2 years, and then I decided to quit the job and then dedicatedly prepare for this exam. And this is my third attempt. I could not clear prelims in first 2 attempts, and my first interview also.
So you're getting there gradually.
Yes, sir.
Huh? So first
Trying.
attempt you didn't clear the prelims.
So
Second
second
attempt you
also.
cleared the prelims.
No, sir, I did not clear.
Both attempts, no, you didn't
Yes,
clear
sir.
the prelims. This
Yes.
year you cleared the prelims
And
and the
mains,
mains and now going for the interview.
Yes.
Good, good. You're making progress.
So perhaps my strategy failed in first 2 attempts. So yes.
Great, great, great. And where do you
all the
live?
3 attempts you had Paul Science as well.
Yes,
optional.
sir. Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. And tell me now, why do you want to join the civil services?
So my
IAS, IPS, why?
So my father works in Delhi Police. So a major portion of inspiration has been drawn from my father itself. But having said that, sir, I wanted to gain financial independence and professional experience. So that is why I decided to join the corporate for 2 years, and then I dedicatedly prepared for this because I could not manage, sir, 2 things.
Cisco is a multinational,
Yes, sir, it's a multinational company.
well-paid job,
Yes, sir, very well paid.
very well paid. Then what made you quit?
Sir, I always wanted to do this, get into the civil services only, as I
Why?
said. Sir, because the opportunity the service provides is uncomparable, sir, to any other service which is present today. And sir, if I feel if I can contribute even a minute part in the nation building through this service, it
नेशन
would
बहुत
be.
बड़ी चीज़ होती है भैया.
Yes, sir.
नेशन बिल्डिंग तो भैया और लोगों को करने दो. छोटा छोटा कुछ करो. Nation building, you know, you're talking like Sardar Patel and all those people. Nation building, नहीं, yes, something for society.
So yes.
Something that will be better. Acha, please go ahead. Tell me, how do you spend? What are your hobbies?
So I like to watch TED Talks.
You like to watch?
TED Talks. So technology, entertainment and design.
Okay.
TED
and,
Talks.
and do you play any games?
Yes, sir. Basketball. I play basketball. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
As in when I get time, there's
Right.
a court near my house.
But one has to be tall to be able to get it. Are you tall? She
Sir,
is tall.
I am average.
Let
height.
her answer, Baba. I'm asking her. Huh?
Sir, I am 5 feet 5 inch. I might not be very tall, but I used
Yeah,
to
for
play.
yeah.
Yes,
M-
sir.
more tall than most Indian
Yes.
women. Yeah.
So I used to play as a forward runner in my team. I have even played in corporate basketball tournaments.
Good.
In school and college also, sir, I have played.
Very nice.
Your father is in the police.
Yes, sir.
What do you think ails the Indian police?
What is the problem with Indian police? What ails the Indian police? you ask?
So Indian police, so first of all, the problem is actually the constabulary issues, I would say. 87% of the workforce constitutes the constabulary class. So there is a lot of work-life balance issues. There's a lot of stress sometimes. It is also said that the job is not very well paid. And sir, there is a lot of modernization issues also. The funds which are allocated to the police are not being utilized properly. So that is one thing. But sir, having said that, there are a lot of steps which are being taken to correct the vacancies, the pitfalls, and technology is playing a very important role in that, sir.
Is the police corrupt?
Sir, I wouldn't say so. Yes, there is a perception that police is not performing up to the mark when it comes to layman and citizens. But so there are always corrupt elements or vested interest in any walk of the life. So we can't say a entire police force would be a corrupt institution. Because, sir, our country is by and large working very well when it comes to law and administration. So a major credit of that goes to the police also, sir.
Today there was a very important news item regarding the forces. Have you read the newspaper?
Yes, sir, women have been given, Supreme Court has actually given the
What
judgment.
has it done?
Sir, women have been given the given the permanent commission. So after 14 years of their service, they can opt for permanent commission, sir.
Is it in combat forces, non-combat forces?
Sir, in commanding roles and combat forces also now, because Supreme Court has held that gradually women should be given level playing field if they are fulfilling the criteria as per their male counterparts. So it's a move towards the equality as it is said.
There was another news item today
Yes.
about some British MP. Did you read about it?
Sir, I have read, but I cannot recall it clearly, so I wouldn't comment on it.
No, it was just a news item. It's
Yes, sir, I'm sorry, I could not recall it.
Okay, now,
Have you been able to meet Kiran Bedi?
Not yet, sir, but yes, she's a very prominent figure.
Is she a role model or?
Sir, she's a very inspiring lady. Yes, sir, she's a very inspiring lady, but not exactly a role model. My personal role model is Sir Abdul Kalam Azad, but I find inspiration from her too, sir.
As a personality, what are the positives that you have which will make a good civil servant?
Sir, I believe a good civil servant should have a wider perspective so that he or she can accommodate
What do you
diverse.
have?
Sir, I
Give
have.
me 2 negatives and 2 positives about yourself.
Okay, sir. Sir, I think I have the ability and patience to listen to diverse perspectives and then come to a balanced conclusion. And secondly, sir, I would say I have empathy. To be able to connect to the problems of a layman, of our citizens on a daily basis is what is the job of a civil servant, sir.
And what are the 2 negatives that you have?
So negatives, I would say that I would like to work on my emotional intelligence, sir, because sometimes we tend to get swayed in our emotions. That should not basically hamper our balanced judgment. And secondly, sir, I would say that I would like to fix my procrastination tendencies, sir. Sometimes we don't work exactly as what we have planned. So I would like to be more disciplined and planned.
You have reached this stage, how can you be procrastinating?
So not always, sir, but I would say in minute things, sometimes.
Okay.